The IRS. Ooh. Do you ever get a chill down your spine just hearing those three letters? Well, you're not alone. For many businesses, they ignite a fear of audits, penalties, and endless complexities. That's why in this video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 fears that business owners have when it comes to the IRS and exactly what you should be doing to avoid them. It's often said that 2 things are certain in life: death and taxes. Okay, I know this is a cliche, but it's a cliche for a reason. The fear of the IRS stems from the reality that mistakes in taxes can lead to severe penalties, time-consuming audits, or even legal troubles. And for businesses, navigating through tax laws and regulations can be a daunting task. Which is why before I even start this list, I want to say that the number 1 thing you can do to avoid IRS trouble is have a tax professional at your side. This could be a certified public accountant, enrolled agent, tax attorney, or outsourced bookkeeping or accounting firm. At CSI Accounting and Payroll, we have both certified public accountants and enrolled agents on staff, and we have decades of experience dealing with the IRS and small to medium-sized businesses. And the key to success is taking a proactive approach that will avoid these fears in the first place. With that said, there are plenty of things that you can do on your own to get started. So let's dive into our list. Number 1, fear of audits. Perhaps the most chilling fear for business owners when dealing with the IRS is the possibility of an audit. The dread comes from the understanding that audits are time-consuming, costly, and can damage a company's reputation. The stress and uncertainty, coupled with the potential for penalties and legal consequences, make audits the apex of IRS-related anxieties. But this fear is not insurmountable. By maintaining accurate records, filing on time, being honest in reporting, understanding common audit triggers, and working with a professional accounting firm, businesses can turn apprehension into assurance. Number 2, fear of penalties and interest. The fear of penalties and interest often ranks just behind audits as a significant concern for many business owners. It's a worry that can lead to sleepless nights, with missteps in tax reporting, late payments, or non-compliance turning into hefty fines, and accumulating interest. But this fear can be addressed by staying informed about specific deadlines and regulations, utilizing tax software or tools to keep track, engaging with trusted professionals like CSI, implementing internal checks to catch potential errors, and planning ahead by setting reminders or automating payments. By combining diligent compliance, timely filings, and expert guidance, you can take control of the process and transform fear into confidence. It's about being proactive, and with the right approach, you can navigate the complex, ever-changing landscape of tax laws with ease. Number 3, fear of back taxes. The looming shadow of back taxes or unpaid tax liabilities from previous years can be a significant worry for business owners. We explain the importance of back taxes to new clients all the time because they tend to think that they can be ignored. But this is not the case because these unpaid amounts don't simply go away. They accumulate interest and penalties, growing into larger financial burdens. Ignoring or misunderstanding your tax obligations can lead to this daunting situation. Some actionable steps include maintaining accurate and detailed financial records, utilizing tax professionals to ensure compliance with all relevant tax obligations, setting up a payment plan if needed, and perhaps most importantly, making timely payments in the first place. If you currently owe back taxes but are putting it off because of the cost to get it rectified, stop it. Get this situation taken care of now by hiring a professional accountant, even if it's a bit of an investment up front. It might also be valuable to regularly review your tax strategy with an accounting professional, understanding potential tax credits, and even setting aside funds specifically for tax obligations. Number 4, fear of criminal charges. The idea of facing criminal charges related to tax matters is one of the gravest concerns for any business owner. While unintentional errors in tax filings are usually subject to fines and penalties, intentional acts like tax evasion or fraud can lead to criminal prosecution. The ramifications can be severe, ranging from hefty fines to imprisonment, and can spell disaster for both personal reputation and business credibility. Thankfully, criminal charges are generally a result of willful misconduct and not honest mistakes. By maintaining transparency, complying with tax laws, and working with a professional, business owners can ensure they are on the right side of the law. So basically, just don't break the law. And finally, number 5, fear of the cost of professional help. The idea of hiring professional accountants or tax advisors can seem like a significant expense for many small to medium-sized business owners. The fear often revolves around this question: is the cost worth the benefit? Well, for one, it's probably more affordable than you may think. And while it's natural to be concerned about expenses, it's essential to consider the value that professional help brings. Professionals handle complex tasks, saving you time and freeing you to focus on growing your business. Of course, a professional will also help you avoid mistakes in the first place. Expert advice helps in complying with tax laws, avoiding costly errors and penalties. With a professional, you'll also get strategic planning, which will lead to tax savings, often offsetting the cost of the service. Another thing is peace of mind. Knowing your financial matters are in expert hands brings invaluable reassurance. At CSI, we believe that professional assistance should be viewed as an investment rather than just a cost. Whether it's staying ahead of changes in tax laws, meticulously handling your records, or providing strategic financial planning, our team of experienced professionals is committed to supporting your business every step of the way. Don't let the fear of the IRS hold you back. Connect with us today, and let's build a confident financial future for your business. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need personalized assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. If you found this information valuable, consider subscribing and sharing this video with fellow business owners. Your success is our passion, and we're here to help.